Hi guys, it's Kathy. How are you? Welcome back to my channel, Kathy's Favorite Things. You guys, I am so super excited today. I received a box from Victoria's Moon. Have you guys heard about them? Their website is victoriasmoon.co.uk, and they have this amazing paint by numbers and diamond painting. So excited. So I am going to review their products, and that makes me just so super happy. I have been wanting to try diamond painting forever and ever. I've seen my friend Patty done some beautiful diamond painting, and I'm like, oh, I want to try that. So I will be reviewing Victoria's Moon diamond painting and paint by numbers. So I received this box, and I just took the packaging out, and this is what the box looks like. Well, let me see. It's in Russian. It says painting by numbers. So this is probably just my paint by number material in here that I'm going to review for them. So you guys, I'm going to take it out of the box, and I'm going to show you how it looks, because this picture is not what I chose. They let me choose one of each, and I guess they come separate, so that's okay. I can start with the paint by numbers, and then by the time I receive the other one, I can start the diamond painting. So I'm super excited. I love painting, and I enjoy crafting so much that I know this is going to be super fun. Wait till you see what I chose. Let me just take it out. You can see the instructions are in the back, and they are in Russian and in English. This, the letters here, they are in Russian and in English also. And let me just take it out. You guys, I have to tell you that their customer service is amazing. The turnaround is super quick. When I got contacted by them, I responded the email, and the next day I already had the response, and I gave them all my information, and they said, okay, we're gonna ship everything to you. And it's been a few weeks. This was at the end of December. It's been over a month. Yeah, because it's past January. But you know, it comes from the UK. So this is cool. And you guys will not be able to see what this is by me showing you this, but look, it's cool. It's it has all these tiny numbers. You see, it has the picture and it has the numbers, and these are flowers, and it has a frame, which is cool. And the size of this is 40 by 50 centimeters, okay? And these are flowers. These are peonies, pink peonies. And so it has the canvas. It has the picture here, again, with the drawing and the numbers. And it has the painting. Oh, look, here's the picture. Okay, let me take it out of the baggie so you can see. But this is the painting, and let me take the baggie out because of all the glare. And after I show you this, I'm going to tilt the camera down, and I'm going to show you a close-up of the picture, okay, of the canvas. So this is amazing because I'm going to link this same kit down below. I'm gonna go to their website and link the same one that I got. I have the code here, and it's 40 by 50 centimeters, and I'm unsure about the pricing at this moment because when I ordered it, it was on sale, and I didn't check the website before filming this, but I will add it down below for you guys, okay? So this is super cool because here it has the numbers here that tells you what color you have to put in your painting. This is so amazing. Look at these colors. There's a lot of pinks, a lot of green, and a lot of yellow. And it's super cool because these are pink flowers and these are pink peonies. I hope they come out so cool. I love painting. Look, can you see? It's beautiful. They're beautiful flowers. And peonies are some of my favorite flowers. So I love peonies. I love hydrangeas. I love calla lilies. Calla lilies are so pretty. And I love roses, so. And orchids. I know I like, you know, different flowers, but it's so cute. Oh look, you can see the colors better here. You see that? How amazing is that? Those colors are so pretty. So. I am so excited to start using this. Oh look, and I even have like the hangers to hang my picture when I'm done painting it. And I have 3 different brushes. Let me take the brushes out because one is like super fine tip and the other one is like a flat. See, I have 3 different brushes. I have this one that is like for precise places. This one, which is a flat one for like bigger spaces. And this one is even a more precise one. It's super tiny. See that? So I have 3 different brushes and this is all I need probably because they provide everything. So see? Super cool. So thank you so much, VICTORIASMOON, for sending this to me. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to start painting. I will be doing that soon. I think I'm going to start this week, and I will give you like an update on my painting. Let's say depending on how my life goes, maybe I'm gonna try to do it like, you know, weekly or so. I'm gonna try. I'm not saying that I will be doing it weekly, but I'm going to really try to start painting, and when I enjoy doing something, I will be doing it like super often. So hopefully I will be able to show you, you know, my progress once a week. I'm gonna try to do that. And even if I do just a little bit at a time, I will show you how it's looking because I am so excited. I've never done painting by numbers before, and I've seen it so many times on the TV and, you know, on like magazines when they advertise it, and it's just so cool. And it's something that I really enjoy painting. So this is going to be super fun. So thank you so much, VICTORIASMOON, for giving me the opportunity to review your products. I am so happy that I will be doing this soon, okay? And I will be posting that video. And for now, guys, thank you so very much for watching. I really appreciate you. And please don't forget to come back soon and take a look at my progress on this painting. And now, before I say goodbye to you, before I finish this video, I will tilt the camera down and try to show you a better view of the canvas that I received. Okay, guys? So don't go anywhere, please. Hold on. Bear with me for a minute and I will be right back with you. You guys, look at this. This is the canvas. I'm gonna give you an up close look. You can see the numbers right there. That tells me the colors that I need to use for my painting. And these are the painting that came with it. Look at those colors, a lot of pinks and a lot of green and white and yellows. You can see the colors better this way. Beautiful colors. I cannot wait to see this when it's finished. And these are my brushes. It has 3 brushes, 3 different sizes, and it has this hangers here to hang my picture when I am done painting. So it's amazing. Thank you so much, Victoria's Moon. You guys go check out their website, please. Their website is victoriasmoon.co.uk. I will list it down below in the description box, along with the item number of this same picture, okay, in case you want to order it for yourself. And thank you so much, guys. Now I'm gonna say goodbye for now. I will be seeing you shortly again to show you my progress on the painting. Okay, thank you so much, guys. I hope you like it, and have a good day or night, depending on the time that you're watching me. Thank you, guys, and thank you, Victoria's Moon. Bye bye.